Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bareng Pulen TV. Pulen. Pada sore ini potong rumput buat empan sapi. Jangan lupa ya, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bareng Pulen TV. Pulen. Guys, sore ini kita cek masih ngarut rumput sama rekan-rekan kita. Coba kita potong rumput buat empat sapi. Banyak sekali, kurang lebih 500 liter belum terangkut potong rumput buat empat sapi.
Clap your hands for Angga Jeffriano. Amen.
You don't have to worry about nothing. We got the party, and we burning one hell of a something. Baby, they're gonna see us from outer space, light it up like we're the stars of the human race. Stay down, they know what they heard. And the night, stay down, giving love to the world. And the eyes in your hands, shining up to the sky. 'Cause we got the fire. Yeah, we got the fire. And we gonna live.
Rumput sangat hijau sekali buat empat sapi. Jadi pada nganggur kita kuli motong rumput. Potong rumput sudah ikatnya 1.500, lumayan. Sudah 100 ikat, lumayan buat dapur kita. Kita ngangkut dulu.
The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Terus.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town,